School. A beautiful job by those young ladies from St Kentigern Girls' School, and a proud moment too for a very proud Kiwi, somebody who we know well, Paul Radicic. His young daughter Amelia was performing there in the back row. So wonderful rendition of both God Defend New Zealand and Advance Australia Fair. We have a wonderful link with New Zealand, and we also love this circuit, Crompo. It's great to have it back for the first time in 6 years. Pukekohe Park Raceway, 40 kilometres south of Auckland. New and improved for 2000.